everyone, today we're going to install the login and a custom login handler for our code. In previous video we had a basic code, but a better practice is to use a login instead of print. This is really simple. You import the login library, then you use the info level if you wish, and you execute the code. But right now there is no configuration, so the login won't display on the terminal. So if you just want a quick and fast way, you have to configure your login to use the standard output, which is your terminal. But to use it, you need the system library. We can see it, but it's not really success as a code, so we will make a custom class to handle the format of the login. Now we got a basic class for a login. It inherits login formatter because we want to override the format method inside the formatter class. We'll override this function. So first we need color. But what color we can apply to the login formatter? In the login formatter we can use a color in the ANSI escape code. So now login has 5 level, so we will choose 5 color. Let's start with gray. Blue, yellow, and red background too, so we will have a message in color plus a background color. So how do we determine the value of each color? The format, escape, foreground, background. Then after the value, the escape attribute to reset everything for another format. But what is the escape value? Escape value is 0x1b, but 0x, how is it translated? We can see it in an example. It's \x, then 1b, and the format we want. We want gray color. We will use rather white for I will use gray color 90. And the result. Blue. We need to determine which format we want for the formatter to display. So what do we want? We want the date time of the format of the login, the level of the login, and the message. Now we got the format we want. We need to associate each login level to the format and the color. Now we will override the format method. install it in the main. We don't need the basic config anymore. Now we need to use a custom formatter. Before that, we need a logger. Now we got a logger, but we need it to be used on the 5 level, so we need to set it to the lowest, which is debug. Now we have a logger. We still need to configure it to display in the std out for us to see it. We want the std out to be at the all level 2, so debug for the lowest. Then for the std out, we want to use our custom formatter. Now we got the logger, the std out, we need to associate both. Yes, it's in blue now. Let's check for the other level. Now we will see all the logger with a different color and critical with a background color. No, it didn't work. Why? Let's check it. Let's check with different value. Oh yes, I forgot. Now it should be good. Great. Now, see you next time for a different video.